Can you swim in the snow?
No!
But you can play in the snow. Can you make a birthday cake out of snow?
Yes! For a snowman.
Happy birthday, snowman!
Can you count snow? No!
Of course you can. You can count the falling snowflakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it's a winter wonderland of counting.
Giraffe.
I'm okay, Sky.
What?
Get back here.